Understanding I'm flip-flopping, a deep dive into English slang. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase you might have heard in conversations. I'm flip-flopping. This phrase is not just about shoes, but it's a colorful way to describe a common situation. Stick around to learn about its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. When someone says, I'm flip-flopping, they're not talking about their footwear. Instead, they're describing a situation where they keep changing their opinion or decision back and forth. It's like they're standing on a seesaw, unable to decide which side to step down on. This expression is often used when someone cannot make up their mind about something important, showing indecision or variability in their choices. The term flip-flop has an interesting history. Originally, it referred to the sound made by loose-fitting, flip-flop sandals slapping against the heel when walking. Over time, it evolved into a metaphor for someone reversing their position like the back-and-forth motion of a flip-flop. This phrase has been widely used in political contexts, where candidates may change their stances on issues, but it's also common in everyday language. Understanding how to use this phrase in context can help you sound more like a native speaker. Here are a few examples. I'm flip-flopping on whether to go out tonight or stay in and relax. After hearing all the arguments, I'm flip-flopping on my decision about the best course of action. He's been flip-flopping between the two job offers for weeks now. Notice how the phrase is used to convey uncertainty or the act of changing one's mind frequently. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use the phrase, I'm flip-flopping. While it's suitable in informal conversations among friends or in casual settings, it might not be the best choice for formal discussions or in professional environments. Understanding the context and your audience is key to using slang phrases effectively. So, there you have it. I'm flip-flopping is a vivid way to express indecision or changing opinions. We hope this video has shed some light on this unique phrase and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances that make it rich and vibrant. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using I'm flip-flopping in your own sentences. See you in the next video.